Good evening to everyone. I'm going to take English grammar. First, subscribe my channel Initiative Easy English Grammar and click the bell button. Today I'm going to take parts of speech. There are 8 parts in parts of speech. They are noun, pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction and interjection. Let's see one by one. Noun, it's a naming word. A name of place, person and things. Pronoun, it's instead of noun. Where we use noun. Naming words, where we use naming words, there we can use pronoun. An example, Ram is a boy. Instead of Ram, we shall use E. E is a boy. E is a pronoun. Next, verb. Verb is an action word. Verb has 3 categories. An action word for position and for position. It takes 3 roles. So, action words are play, go, run, sit, stand. These are the words. Position words, be verbs we use. Be verbs we use position. They are 5 verbs. Am, or, is, was, were. These are the be verbs. We shall use this verb for position. He is a boy. Yeah is says is position. We are friends. I'm a teacher. Like. Then have verb used for possession, which means we have the ownership. I have 2 cars. I have a silk saree. Like that, we take ownership. There we can use have verb. The next category is adjective. Adjective describe a noun and pronoun. Example, the flower is beautiful. See, flower is a noun. It describe a beautiful describe the flower. So beautiful is an adjective. Next category is adverb. Adverb describes verb and adjective. An example for this, is very good boy. Yeah, very describe one more adjective. So it's called a adverb. Next one is preposition. Preposition, proportion. See, take the first part. It means before. Before position to noun or pronoun, it's called preposition. Some words, there are so many words for preposition. Some words are to, with, in, on, before, after. Like this, so many words are there. Next, conjunction. Junction means connect the words or sentences is called conjunction. It may connect 2 words or 2 sentences. Example, Ram and Raja are friends. Here, Ram and Raja, 2 nouns. These 2 noun words and is connecting both name. So like that, connecting the words are called conjunctions. And interjection express the strong and sudden feelings of joy or sorrow. Example, what a beautiful flower it is, how tall building it is, I lost my pen, or the like that. Sudden expressions called interjection. Use the interjection mark. So just randomly we go through this. In next class, let's see this full portion elaborately. Thank you.